Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then you need to provide your trading view ID so that I can able to give access to my free indicator. Okay. This is rather than an indicator. This is I want to share something brief. People will be following strategies. Okay. Strategy will fail for 1 month and it will work for another month, and in long run with some kind of drawdown, it will change its behavior. Okay. So that is what strategy. Rather than strategy, if you know the mechanism of market, we can build a number of strategies. Mechanism, what is the mechanism of market? First of all, we need to know how the market is working, what principles are behind that. So this is the initial view of a mechanism. Okay. If our stop loss is triggered, for example, we are going to long position. Once our stop loss is triggered, entire people should exit there. So that is the mechanism. Stop loss hitted and again price is traveling towards our target, then that is not mechanism, that is strategy. Okay. So in order to come up with my mechanism, I have splitted a mechanism into several layers. Okay. Because as per me, in one day we cannot get entire knowledge. Okay. Because knowledge is like a ocean. So we need to come to this market and gain knowledge step by step. So in this case, what I'm saying is option mechanism. If you want to realize the option mechanism, then my free service, which is a social service which I am doing right now, utilize that. You will be able to know how the options are working. Okay. How the option mechanisms are working. This is very basic, guys. Okay. Very basics, but very effective. Okay. This is the starting process. I'm having several way to make money using this mechanism, effective ways. Okay. I'm going to share simple way, very simple way. First, in this way, what we are going to do is, instead of putting our brain, okay, there is many complex things are there here. So in order to make it very simple and effective for a very common person, what I have done is just concentrate on opening trade. Okay. Opening trade, you can able to make a monthly income and quarterly income easily, but focus on only opening trade right now. Okay. What you have to do is, price has to travel from red to red. So this is yesterday's chart. So I have kept put option. In put option, what happened, just I want to share. Already I have explained these videos in my language, in local language. So now I am making a video here. Okay. Now what is the thing is, price is opening here and it's traveling here. Once it crosses the red, okay, once it crosses the red, you can see price is traveling from red to red. Okay na? So this is the thing, price will travel from red to red. Okay. Our aim is to make money by risking small. Always remember this, guys. Risk management is very important in this market. Okay. Risk management is very important. Many people failed because of this risk management. So what our aim is, to risk less and to make big. So in this case, I'm entering into the trade and exiting into the trade. In between, where is my stop losses? Where is our entry? Below there will be one line. Okay. In between, that midpoint is our stop loss. Clear na? That midpoint is our stop loss. So if we are obeying these rules and if we are going with opening trade initially, what will be happening? Out of 4 trade, even if you lose, sorry, out of 5 trade, even if you lose 4 trade, we will be in profit. Only one trade is enough to make money. Why? What is the reason? Our risk is just 7 to 10%. It will be coming 7 to 10% as per option pricing. Okay. Our reward will be minimum 40 to 50 percentage. So our risk reward ratio will be more, 1 is to 4 to 1 is to 5. So in a month out of 20 days, 3 profit is enough. We will be in profit. So that is the beauty of this trading. Okay, I'm already having an algo kind of a thing, but before going to algo, what my suggestion is, we need to go for a live. Okay, a live, we need to trade, we need to observe, we need to test, we need to back test, we need to live test, we need to do future test. Everything we have to do it on our own to get a self satisfaction. Okay, in this trading, self satisfaction is very important. Rather than going blindly, we need to follow the mechanism, rules, discipline, everything. It will take to a next stage of a trader. Okay, next level of a trader. So that is the reason I'm sharing this as a social service. Kindly utilize these things. So this is a starting point of option mechanism. There are many layers are there and many things are there, and I will be providing those things also. Since many new traders are came to this platform, I want to share these things. Just to focus on opening trade, red to red, with a stop loss of midpoint. So in a long run, as a monthly income, quarterly income, you will be in a profit. So once you're in a profit, make profit, then just know more about mechanism. Okay, because I'm having lots of things in this market. Everything has its own value. Okay, so kindly utilize this service as a free service and just check it, get self satisfied. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.